made it light up. I'm going to pull it off.
You can. It does detach.
Oh, yeah.
Good spin.
Yes. Good spin. Is that banana gone? Oh, you're still working on it. I don't think you can get the other pieces of banana because they fell down. Oh, no. Okay. Okay, banana. Mouth is ready. Good job.
Good boy. That's a big mouthful of banana.
Oh.
Too big?
Yeah, we gotta work it, you know? We gotta work it.
More?
Another banana? Thank you. Thank you, banana. What are you looking at? Nobody's behind you. Mommy's looking at you. You're the attraction. Nothing else. Look at the bananas you dropped. Yeah, they're down there. Looking at the light.
Crunchy. Try crunchy.
Want a crunchy? Beep beep. Would you like a crunchy? No, banana is that. This is the crunchy. That's banana. That's the cheese crunchy. And that's the banana. Crunchy. I see. Is that for Grammy? I say he's crunchy. That's for Jeremy. Suck it out.
I've never seen him eat like that except for yesterday with the sucking thing. I mean, the only thing I can think of is that his mouth hurts to chew. Or it's just some new thing that he likes.
That's my crunchy. Yummy crunchy.
Say more.
Banana.
Did you get it?
I think so.
Good boy. Good boy. Flavor overload.
I know, banana and crunchy.
Oh. What's next, Grammy? My plate's empty. Good luck with that one.
That wasn't quite what you were expecting? What happened? Grammy put it in and it just didn't make it, right?
You like the taste.
It didn't make it. No. Yeah, don't